War day number 868. 868 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, July the 10th, 2024. And we have only three regular puzzles. No additional, no extra puzzles. I've shown you earlier. The first regular puzzle I've already done, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles are left, the binary and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Yeah, it's time for the Sudoku with 4 stars, number 8876. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 25. Well. One digit more than usual. Usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24, this one has 25. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about this column? We have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 3 could be here, or there. We see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. We see a 3 in the row below, no 3 there. Only place level 3 should be there. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. And I need a 3. Okay. Alright. Then 3. How about? We have a pair here. The 4 and the 5 in this row. The 4 and the 5 in the middle row. So the row below. The only 3 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. And look, we have 4 and 5 in the third column. No 4 and 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Then need a 9 here, 9 there. Well. Need a 6 here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the third row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Need a 2, okay. Need 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 4 here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the third. This column. No 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. First 7. Need a 1 here. Okay, and now 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. Need 8 here, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these two boxes. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only two places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need 8 here, okay. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. Need a 5 here. Need a 2 here. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 6 here. How about 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left, 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Well. Yeah. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Need 6 there. 6, need a 5. Need a 9. Yeah. 9, need a 9 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in these two boxes. 9 in this column, no 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for 9 should be there. One box left in this column, last column. For the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the second column, no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. Well, 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The only 3 places left for 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in that column, no 2 there. Only place left for 2 should be there. Then 1, 7, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row, so the row between, only place left for 4 should be here. 4 and 5, we have 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 5 goes there. We have all the 4s, all the 2s, let me check. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. Then 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Yeah, same numbers. 1 and a 7. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Okay. We need a 9 here. Need a 5 here. 5, 9, 6. Need a 6. Alright. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Then, do we have all the 5s? No. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for us. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7. The 8 and 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this column, middle column, for numbers the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1, 1. Then, let me see. Need a 9 there. Need a 1, 2, need a 6. Need a 6 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 2, do we have the 3s? 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 3 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Okay. How about the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Okay. 1, 1, how about the 9, and the 7. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 179, 179, 179. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this row. So no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 9. Need a 9 there. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the first column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. Then need a 1 here. 2 numbers left. 1 and a 9. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 7 goes there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 9 and a 6. 6 and a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in the middle. Oh, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 and 8. We have a 9 in the middle. Oh, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. And final. Nope. 2 numbers left in this mix. We have a numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. 6 and 7. We have 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 will be here. 8 goes there, finish in 50 minutes. Well, 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku. Ay, 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 ay. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The jigsaw Sudoku. No, the binary. Yeah, it's the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.